In the lush hills and valleys of Igbo land, Nigeria, a pantheon of deities reigns supreme. These divine beings embody the forces of nature, the cycles of life, and the wisdom of the ancestors. Among them, one deity stands out: Chukwu, the supreme god and creator of the universe. Chukwu is the all-encompassing, the infinite, and the eternal. He is the spark that ignites the flame of life, the source of wisdom, and the guardian of destiny. His realm is the sky, where the sun, moon, and stars shine bright, reminding mortals of his majesty. But Chukwu is not alone. He is accompanied by a retinue of deities, each with their own domain and power. There's Allah, the earth goddess, who nurtures the land and its fruits; Igwe, the sky god who controls the rains and the winds; and Amadioha, the god of thunder who wields the mighty lightning bolt. These deities are not just distant figures. They are intimately connected to the lives of the Igbo people. They are honored through rituals and ceremonies, where offerings are made and stories are told. They are invoked in times of need, when the harvest fails or the rains don't come. The Igbo deities are not just gods. They are the embodiment of the people's history, culture, and values. They represent the resilience, creativity, and community that define the Igbo spirit. They remind us of our place in the world, our connection to the land, and our responsibility to one another. In the words of the Igbo people, Onyekwe, Chukwukwe, what a person does, God does. The deities are not separate from humanity. They are an integral part of the fabric of life, guiding us towards harmony, balance, and the fulfillment of our destiny. I hope this narration does justice to the rich spiritual heritage of the Igbo people. Please support us by liking and sharing our videos, and also subscribing to our channel for more.